Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, dear students. So, welcome to lesson 3. Thank you for being with me so far. I hope I'll get your homework by Friday. So, let's start our lesson 3. We're going to talk about learning synonyms and how to use it in IELTS listening. So, here is the general overview of this presentation. First, we'll talk about how to learn academic synonyms, where you can find it, and how you can practice it. Number 2, we will practice with the actual IELTS listening section 2. So for the question where you can find academic synonyms is here it is. So these are the 3 top resources that I myself and my students have been using for a long time. So the first one, if you have a laptop or computer, you can go to this website, a wonderful website where you type one word and it gives you minimum 10 synonyms, which is called thesaurus.com. By the way, the word thesaurus, we have a special types of dictionary, which is thesaurus dictionaries, and it's called in Russian толковый словарь. So it's a free website. Use it. Number 2, these are the 2 mobile apps that I myself also use and my students also. So my advice, stop this video and just take your phone and download it. So the second mobile app is Context Reverser. Although it translates the words, but it gives you real examples in different contexts. So let's say if you don't know how to use the particular new word, you can look at the examples and know how to use it. Number 3 is Merriam-Webster. This is the mobile app application that is very similar to the website in number 1, like thesaurus.com. So it gives you a big range of synonyms and definitions. So I hope that you already downloaded these 2 apps, and now please stop the video and find minimum 2 synonyms for the words buy, travel, and global warming. So here are the words that I come up with. For the buy, I chose the word purchase and get. For travel, I use it as a noun. Of course, you can use it as a verb also. So I picked up 2 synonyms as a noun, excursion and tour. And for global warming, although it doesn't have direct synonyms, but you can write associating words like high temperature and iceberg melting. So here, one more exercise to practice your academic synonyms. What I mean by academic synonyms is that on the left side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you have just ordinary vocabulary for the level of inter or upper intermediate. So I'm sure you probably all of you know all these 10 words. But look at the right side, which is ABCD. These are the vocabulary that used in academic context. And if you remember in listening test, in section 3 and 4, they are in academic contexts. So in order to succeed in section 3 and 4, you need to know lots of academic vocabulary. So again, stop this video, take your copybook, write down all the answers, and of course you can use the dictionary. But before using dictionary, try to use your intuition. So here we have the answers. I'm gonna read it so that you'll be familiar with the pronunciation. Number 1, idea, notion. Number 2, false, counterfeit. Number 3, end, terminate. Number 4, describe, portray. Number 5, decide, resolve. Number 6, cry, weep. Number 7, cold, frigid. Number 8, brave, daring. Number 9, beautiful, exquisite. And number 10, big, titanic. After that, try to write each new word 10 times and repeat 20 times, plus write associative examples for each new word. What I mean by associative example is that try to associate this word with the thing that you already know, with the thing that you have experienced. For example, the word Titanic, you can say, um, in the film Titanic, there is a big ship. So you use the word Titanic and the big as well. So that can make you can make association and remember better. Use the same for all other words. Now we'll begin to practice using synonyms in actual tasks. So as you see here, it's a section 2 and the type of a question is multiple choice. So when it says now you have a 1 minute to read the questions, try to read the task and the questions only. And only after that, if you have time and if you're a fast reader, read the options. While reading, as you remember the tip, it's not, you have to underline or circle keywords. After underlining and circling the keywords, you have to think for each this word as much as synonyms, minimum 2 or 3. So here I circled 5 words. Let's practice, let's try to find as much as possible synonyms for these words. So here I wrote some widest, let's say, list of a huge list of synonyms that can be possible for these 6 words. Please stop the video and match the word with its synonyms. So here is the answer. For situated, you can use to be found, you can use located, and O, which is cited. Number 2, all over, you can use in many parts and everywhere. Number 3, individual, you can use distinct, single, and separate. Number 4, managed, you can use supervised, administered, organized, and controlled. Number 5, widest, you can use fullest, most comprehensive, and most extensive. And the last one, for collection, you can use quantity, choice, and range. So that is the end of the video. Now please go to the Telegram channel, download the lesson 3 PDF file and do the exercises. Good luck. See you next time in lesson 4.